Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I wanted to jump on and just show you the freebie that we did for this week. I did post up on the groups and on Facebook community that I had this available for you to download, but I think a lot of people just didn't see it because it went up yesterday on Thanksgiving. So this is one of the pages, and it is done this way, but you could turn it, you could flip it and have it to print that way, which is what I did here if you wanted to, so that you could have it for a journal page if you want to do that, or you can just use it as is. And then this is the other page, and excuse seeing through that because my printer actually printed on both sides for some reason on that one. I don't know why. But I did these little labels. I thought they were cute. You could fussy cut them out, or you could just cut around them like they are. Now on these, I left them plain so that you could put whatever words on there that you might want. Maybe some words from our other printable that was a freebie. And then just some Merry Christmas across here, some poinsettias, and then some more little berries and ivy there. I think that's called ivy. But I just wanted to show you those up close, because I know a lot of people like to see the actual thing, but these are free to you. All you have to do is be a subscriber. Boy, I cannot talk. Be a subscriber to our YouTube channel. So all you have to do is go click that red subscribe button and subscribe, and then you can go over to the link below and download these for free. That is our freebie for this week. Now, I also wanted to let you know that all of our digitals that we have on, we don't have that many, but our digitals that we have on our website, they're all at 50% off. Even the big mini album freebie that has over 30 files in it, it is at 50% off, and I think it's like $4 and something or something like that now. But anyway, all of those are half price. And I wanted to let you know, and I'm going to drop some photos in right here at the end. Tomorrow we have a ton of blue fern, and I know a lot of you have bought blue fern from me before, blue fern paper, and you really love it just like I do. Tomorrow we have a lot of that paper going up. Some of it is cheap. We got it at a real good discount from Leslie, and so we're going to be passing some of that discounts and things on to you. And then we have one collection that's brand new to us and to them, and it is the Christmas collection. It's called Christmas Cheer, and we're going to have those in packs of 20. So you'll get 2 sheets of each one. And then we're going to bring back an old favorite that a lot of you loved the last time that we had it in stock, and it is called Jane's Memoirs. So we're going to have that back in the shop tomorrow as well. All these will go up in the morning sometime whenever I can get them all loaded. But those will be up, plus many more. As you can see here, let me fold this over. As you can see here, I went kind of crazy. I ordered a lot. A lot of this was on sale. I did order some stamps. I got all that they had of those stamps. And then we've got a Heartfelt collection, a Heartland collection too. I will leave a picture of that. But I'm just going to leave some photos at the end so you can get a look at what will be going up tomorrow. There will be a limited supply on some of these. Now, some of them I was only able to get like, this one I got 20 sheets, 30 sheets. Some of them only 10 sheets. I mean, it's going to be first come, first served is what it's going to amount to. But then, and like the stamps, I bought all they had, and they only had 9 of them, but they're going to be at a very good price. The Heartland collection, I was able to get 1 complete set. So there'll be 10 pages to a bundle, or 10 sheets to a bundle. I should say sheets and not pages. On Jane's Memoirs, there will be 10 sheets to a bundle, and then on Christmas Cheer I was able to get 2 sets of that, so there will be 20 sheets to a bundle. So make sure that you look for those tomorrow. I'm just going to drop in a few photos here at the end. It's not going to be all the collections. I will have all of those loaded up tomorrow because I've got to go and grab photos for all of these. So just make sure that you go and check that out tomorrow. Remember, it will be over on our website, scrapbookingwithme.com, and it will be right the very first photo there. It'll be the very first page that you click on. That we will have all of the blue fern beautiful papers in. And this paper is a very thick cardstock. It is a good quality paper. For anybody who's used it, you know what I'm talking about. So I just wanted to tell you guys that, and like I said, I just dropped on to say that, and I have been working on other things today. I haven't really got a tutorial for you today, but I'll try to get a tutorial up tomorrow, and all the Happy Mail that I've been promising. I got more Happy Mail today, so I will get all of that Happy Mail shown to you tomorrow, and thanked everybody that has sent it to me, and I've already used a little bit of it anyway. And then we'll get started using it on some new projects for next week. Now, next week I will be dyeing some more paper. So if you want to see my dyeing process on paper, then, tune in next week. I'm not sure what day I'll put it up, but I have a brand new product that was sent to me that I will be using on dyeing some of those papers. So we're going to see how that works. And then I'll also be using my distress inks and things like that, just like I have before. I don't use coffee. I use my distress inks. I use the ink refills and a little bit of water, and that's what I dye my papers with. It works great. I love it. There's no smell when it's all said and done, and they dry in a hurry. So I will show you my process on dyeing papers next week. We also have a new digital that will be coming out next week, so make sure that you watch for that. And oh my goodness, there's just tons and tons of things. You can tell I've had a little bit of caffeine today. If you haven't checked out this video where we made this, make sure that you go back and check that out. And this collection was from Hello Susan. I have her link. I'll have her link below. And then I had it on this video as well. Make sure you go check that out and purchase some of this from her. It's very inexpensive for all that you get. And remember, on digitals, you can print them over and over and over and over again. Once you download it to your computer, it's yours. You can just keep printing. So no, you don't have to hoard paper like I hoard some of the paper that I like. You don't have to hoard it. You can just keep printing it. All right, guys, we will talk to you later. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everybody had a happy Thanksgiving. And those of you who don't celebrate Thanksgiving at this time of year like we do here in America, I hope you had a great day yesterday. We will talk to you later. I'll see you tomorrow for some exciting videos.